job. Dad and Mimi. Yeah? Natasha vacuums. Push. Push the vacuum.
Dad.
Do you want Dad to do it? Oh, that. Okay, Dad's gonna help.
Hey, you do it.
Now you do it, Natasha.
You do it. You do it.
Uh-oh, it went off. You want to push the button and start it again? Push the button. Your turn, Natasha. Your turn now. Natasha's turn. Dad moved tonight. Okay, now Dad's all done now. All done. Dad's all done. Natasha's turn. Natasha's turn. Vacuum. Can you push it? You're all done too? Okay. We're all done vacuuming, I guess.